All right, so if you've clicked on this, you also want to be able to select a specific area on your screen and screenshot and copy that to your clipboard. This is done in DWL. I will also configure DWL in a way that lets me press a key on my keyboard, the print key in particular, to make that screenshot. I need two programs for that. First is Grim, the other is Slurp, and actually three, so we also need WL copy, but I assume that's already pre-installed on the system. If you don't have these programs, get them before following along in this video. Now, I've written a simple script file. It's in my scripts directory called screenshot copy. So let's go in there and go through the command. So we're first using Grim. Grim is a program that works for all WL roots compositors, and it will screenshot your entire screen. Now, I don't want that. I want to be able to select a specific area, which is where Slurp comes in. Slurp, I can quickly show you. Slurp, if you run it, will let you select an area on your screen like that, and output the exact geometry or dimensions you have just selected with the command. We can then, in turn, use that with the G option in Grim, which will then screenshot the selected area by Slurp. Rather handy. Using these programs in tandem really follows the Unix philosophy. So, also with Grim, we are going to use the -O option along with the value of hyphen, which means we don't want Grim to output to a file. Rather, we want to output to standard output. Then also another hyphen for declaring this the end of options for Grim. And now that we have a screenshot that we're outputting to standard output, we can pipe that into WL copy, which will copy the standard input to the clipboard. In this case, we also have to specify the type of data we want to copy to the clipboard. In this case, it's an image and it is a PNG image. So let me quickly show you that this actually works. So we are going to run, yeah, it's on my, the script is on my path, so screenshot copy, can just execute that from anywhere. Let's screenshot the command line here. And I found this very useful tool here, Clipboard test, with which we can, well, test the clipboard. So, and as you can see, I'm pasting a few times here. It works, right? It works. We can successfully copy images from our clipboard to this website here, but it also works, for example, in Discord or any other application, at least from those I've tried yet. All right, so how do we get this working with DWL? We will have to edit the config.h file in your source folder for DWL. I'm already in that folder, so let's go to config.h. Yeah, I need to fix that. And go to the commands section. So, and for the most part, we can copy what's written here. So let's do exactly that. Yank that and put it here. You can name the command whatever you like, really. I'll just call it screenshot. Yeah, that's it. Screenshot is fine. And in here, you have to tell the DWL what command it should execute. In this case, I have written this script. Oops. That's called screenshot -copy. Now, if the script you've written is not on your path variable, you will have to give a full path, or well, just create a directory for your user scripts and put and apply that to your path. Right. So that's the command itself, and now we are going to associate a key press with that command, so that it actually executes it when we press, for example, the print key. That means I have to insert a new section here. And the way I want it to happen is I want to press my mod key along with the print key, which is XKB key print. Fairly simple. The function that we need is spawn, and for the argument this is .v equals, and then the name we gave the command up here, which is simply screenshot. Right. Don't forget the comma at the end. Double check. Looks good to me. And right, save that. And go ahead and compile that. So run something like sudo make clean install. In my case, I have already compiled this before, so there's no need for me to do that now. Now, if I press my mod key along with the print key, you can see that again, I can select this area, for example, go back to my browser and insert it. There we go. This is how it's done, how you can do it. There are probably other programs maybe, but all of them don't appear to be working well. And this is, I think, as much as Suckless as it gets for doing screenshots on DWL. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.